Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you Java less than or equal to comparison operator. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Java less than or equal to comparison operator? Well, basically, less than or equal to Java comparison operator is used to ask Java if a small number is less than or if it is equal to a big number, or yeah so I'm gonna to make sure that you understand better, I'm gonna be showing you some examples by using the less than or equal to comparison operator. Okay, so first of all, we'll start by writing int and then a is equals to no, it should be the smallest number, so it will be 6, and then int b is equals to, so this will be the biggest number, which is gonna be 12. And then we will write system.out.println, inside these parentheses, as always, and we'll write a is less than or equal to b, just like that. So we are asking Java if 6 is less than or equal to b. So when we execute this code, it's gonna give us the result true. That's because a is less 6 is less than 12, right? So this condition becomes true, but 6 is equals to b, or 6 is equals to 12, like this condition is completely false. When a condition is false, Java won't run it, but when a condition is true, Java will run it and it's gonna give us the result true, but it will never print false when you write it like this. But if you want it to print it false, so you have to write a is double equal to b, so this will be false. So it will just ignore this condition and it will run this condition. And of course, this is how it works, and it actually makes sense, doesn't it? So now we have to write no, not write, I mean, now I'm gonna show you how to write the same condition by using the if statement, by using the if statement and while loop. Okay, so first of all, we'll show you by first writing if. Inside this parentheses, we'll write a is less than or equal to b. So we're not asking Java if a is less than or equal to b. We're telling Java if a is less than or equal to b, then Java, please run this variable for me, or run this number for me, and then Java will run it for you if the condition is true. But if it's false, then Java won't run it for you. Look, it didn't print. But don't confuse, because this one was for the previous one. I'll just comment this code out so that we won't get confused. Just like that. Oh no. No, not comment this. I mean, I'll just remove the system.out.println. So just like that, it won't print the condition which is false, so it will print nothing in the output or the console. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you by writing this exact same condition by using the while loop. Okay, so first of all, we'll write I'll just write while a is less than or equal to b, and then we'll write system.out.println a, and then it's gonna keep running 6 till infinity and beyond. That's because we're printing system.out.println inside the for loop, not for loop, I mean while loop. And you know what loops means, right? So it will keep repeating the the condition you wrote after the while loop. So it's just like for loop. So this is how to write in while loop. And yes, while loop is like you can put like semicolon and then write another a plus plus, like you can't do that. It's yeah, you can do that. It's gonna give you an error. So if you want to do that like directly, yeah, so you have to use the for loop. And to increment, and if you increment inside these parentheses, but first when you put like the semicolon and then you write a plus plus, and then when you're gonna run this code, it's gonna give you an error. First I need to stop this code. See, it's gonna give you an error. That's because you can't put a semicolon and it's not the exact same thing like also the for loop. Yeah, so if you want to write if you want to like increment your variable, so you have to write it like outside of the for loop or inside of the for, yeah, inside of the for, not for loop, I mean while loop. Yeah, outside. I don't know why it's not working. Oh yeah, I forgot semicolon, that's why. Yeah, see, but no, wait, I wanted to increment, so I have to put it after the, yeah, in the for loop. Okay, but first I need to stop this code. Why is it running? Yeah, look, it printed 9, then 10, and then 11, then 12, but it didn't print till like 8. It didn't like start from 6 and then 7 and then 8. It like directly skipped 7 and 8. Yeah, that's because, yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, so while loop is not the same thing as the for loop. So yeah, it's like the if statement. Yeah, and for loop and while loop is different. So me personal me, like I prefer using the for loop, because while loop is just like you can write stuff directly, but here but in the for loop, you know, you can write it directly. I mean, yeah. So yeah, this is how to write in the while loop, the same condition, the while loop and if statement. And yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so it will remind you whenever I upload a video. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.